A wonderful day, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. My name is Jasmina Brenner. I am Head of Global Industrial Engineering at GEZE and together with my team responsible for all production processes worldwide. It's a pleasure for me to give you a small insight into our production today. The objective in manufacturing our products worldwide is to ensure flexible and above all changeable production with a focus on customer proximity, efficiency and of course sustainability. But what does this mean in detail? The design of the plant structure and our manufacturing processes are with the highest degree of flexibility, changeability and efficiency. Best case, we produce where the largest sales market for our products is also located, and we use precious resources such as water, energy and raw materials sparingly and in an environmentally friendly manner within the manufacturing processes. Before we get into the details, a quick overview of the whole value chain. This has a consistent structure at all locations with customer-neutral and customer-oriented process steps. Customer-neutral means simply forecast-oriented process steps and only available at our production sites. Customer-oriented means order-based process steps at specific worldwide locations depending on the market requirements. In the manufacturing of our products, the first step is the mechanical processing of the required components, followed by assembly, painting and packaging before the products are then delivered to customers. Already in mechanical processing, we place a very high value on the economical use of raw materials and the energy required for this. The material used for our main components, housings, pistons and pinions, for example, already corresponds to the finished machined shape wherever possible in the as-delivered condition. In this way, we reduce the machining volume and ensure optimum utilization of the raw material even before machining. The processing itself is carried out by using innovative technologies and processes, including an optimal utilization of these. We already pay attention to energy consumption when procuring our equipment. For our highly productive machines and equipment with high machining speed, a high volume flow of coolant is required and a large amount of chips is generated. Recovery and chip processing systems, coolant filtration and chip handling, as well as the use of minimum quantity lubrication help us to reduce the coolant volume flow and to reuse auxiliary and operating materials as well as to return residual materials to the cycle. The proximity to our raw material suppliers and external service providers, as well as the bundling of orders and contracts, not only promotes flexibility, but at the same time reduces the number of transports to the necessary minimum and saves unnecessary CO2 emissions. After the mechanical processing of the components, the assembly of our products takes place. Here we use both manual and automated equipment and lines, depending on the product and requirements. For our products, we make a classic distinction between sub-assembly and final assembly. Here, too, sustainability and flexibility play a major role. The different machines and processes are innovative and designed so that they can be converted to future products with little effort. The bundling of orders and the consideration of setup times during product changes allow an ideal use of our equipment. The manual working stations all meet the applicable ergonomics standards. Before the products can then be delivered to our customers, they are painted and packaged. Analog to assembly, painting and also packaging are carried out both manually and automatically, depending on the product and requirements. For packaging, we use recycled cardboard and filling materials, both for products and for transportation. Already in the design of the product packaging, we try to completely dispense with filling material as far as possible by using different folding types and shapes. Packaging is done on our automated packaging line, ergonomic and innovative, with reduced consumption of strapping, filling material and tape. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you very much for the attention.